Hi guys, so welcome to Shikharatutorials. You all know my name is CMA BHANU. I'm an accounting mentor for CMA Inter. So the Brahmi is saying hi to you. So this is the video about a financial accounting last 60 days strategy, how to get 70 plus. So most of the students are worrying about to get the 70 plus in the financial accounting. So here we have the Brahmi strategy, so we can see how to crack. First of all, we can see the question paper analysis. When coming to the 2A question, they will ask depreciation and BRS. The students are preparing like they will prepare only BRS and they will leave the depreciation and they are going to the examination. How can it possible to get 7 marks? So it is not possible. That is the reason you have to prepare depreciation and BRS, both the concepts. So you can get 7 marks. And 2B, they're asking the rectification of errors and capital and revenue transactions. And 3A, consignment, bill of exchange and joint venture. 3 topics you have to prepare. You should not leave each and every topic, ma. You have to prepare each and every topic. Next, coming to the 3B, leasing and hire purchase. Some of the students, they don't know leasing is in our syllabus. Yes, it is in our syllabus only leasing. They're asking the questions. In the previous attempt, 7 marks they asked, ma. So leasing. Next, coming to the question number 5, a favorite question for all of you, partnership, because you will start with the partnership, but unfortunately it will take 1.5 hours in the examination. Okay, now. So please don't start with the partnership and single entry. You have to target the questions like 2A, 2B, 3A and 3B. So target these questions within a less time, you will get a more marks. So next one, 6A, branch and departmental accounts. Sir, both the topics are important. You have to study not only the branch, you have to see the departmental accounts. And next, 6B, insurance claims. And 7A, accounting standards. 7B, accounting standards. 8A, partnership theory question. 8B, NPO, PBD and standards, ma. PBD means provision for bad debts. So they're asking provision for bad debts for 4 marks, ma. So please be very thorough. And there is a 8C of accounting standards. So see this analysis, 100% this analysis will be worked out in the examinations. But if you take a choice like a partnership, for you can leave the 5th question and 4th question also. You can write 100 marks paper in the examination. I think you know, you don't know. Yes, it is possible. By way of leaving the question number 4 and 5 also, you can write a 100 marks paper. So my sincere request, don't start your examination with question number 5 and question number 4. And thorough. Please refer all the concepts in the financial accounting. You can get a 70 plus marks. Sir, within a less time, it is possible to revise a full syllabus, sir. Yes, it is possible, ma. Because when coming to my regular classes and EO classes, my EO classes total number of hours are 50 hours. If you observe the each and every concept I have covered in that EO classes, just a nominal fee of 2000 rupees, that's all. If you pay the 2000, we are going to provide you the books. So when coming to the books, I will discuss in later point of time. See each and every concept, including accounting basics, types of accounts also I have discussed 4 hours, and capital and revenue 1 hour. Next, subsidiary books I have discussed for the purpose of rectification of errors, ma. So BRS, rectification of errors, trial balance, even trial balance also they are asking the question for 7 marks, ma. And next, final accounts, single entry, NPO, and then after hire purchase 3 hours, insurance claims 3 hours, provision for bad debts 1 hour, partnership 7, accounting standard 7, partnership even I have uploaded the regular classes also, ma. If you want, you can watch those regular classes in the EVO batch also. And next, branch accounts and departmental accounts. So if you observe the scenario, total each and every concept I have covered only within a less time of how many hours, ma? 50 hours. In your hands, you are having the 60 hours. Per day, 1 hour, if you watch also, you can get 70 plus marks in this upcoming June examinations. So please go through once this one. When coming to the ABC analysis, it is not required for you. So each and every concept you have to study, ma. So just for your reference, I am giving the ABC analysis, that's all. When coming to the books point of view, ma. So in the financial accounting, I have prepared the 3 books, concept book, workbook and handwritten. If you want the handwritten notes, you can download from www.shikharatutorials.in website. In that, go to the free resources. You can collect easily these handwritten notes and you can refer my EO classes. Okay, na guys? Not only this, I am keep in touch with you with the help of revision classes and not the Evo classes, marathon classes. Okay, now please follow this strategy. Please go through these 50 hours. These are the most important each and every topic I have covered. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.